My name's Sam Bob, and this is Feather.
Sorry guys, but she's all mine.
Not only do we love each other, but we love our adventures together. Our whole family loves adventures. If we're outside, you can bet that we're happy. A few years ago, we added the newest addition to our family, our 2011 Toyota Tacoma. We call him Rubble. Ever since Rubble joined our family, he's been taking us some wild places, and we've been hooked on overlanding ever since. The Tacoma was the perfect platform for all of our adventure needs. However, anytime that I needed a new piece of gear, I'd have to climb into the back, dig through all the other gear just to find that one piece that I was looking for. We desperately needed a way to stay more organized on all of our adventures, and thus the truck box idea was born. We looked online for professional pre-built options, but all of those far exceeded our budget, so we decided to build our own. After doing some extensive research online, we decided to go with an option that used skateboard ball bearings and 1-inch metal tubing for the drawer slides. It turned out better than expected. We constructed the box that would house the drawer system using a jig and 3/4-inch plywood. We then used hex bolts, nuts, and washers to space the ball bearings to allow for optimal efficiency when coming in contact with the 1-inch metal piping connected to the drawers. Using a grinder, I cut off the excess bolts and trimmed to length. One of the major issues that I originally found with prefabricated professional drawer systems is they didn't fit my tailored needs specifically when it came to the gear that I needed to hold, the way that I wanted to hold it, and the storage accessibility that I wanted to have. Building our own one-of-a-kind, unique drawer system allowed us to custom tailor the fit of all of our gear to be exactly where we wanted it to be. One of the best parts about the Tacoma is the versatility of the bed. We wanted the truck box to be able to be put in and out of the back with ease so that we could keep our options open. Because the drawer system is made of wood, it does weigh around 300 pounds. Keeping weight in mind, we wanted to design the system to be modular so that each piece could be assembled and disassembled with ease. Excluding loading and unloading gear, it takes about 5 minutes to put in and take out the truck box. After a week's worth of work, it was time to go on the maiden voyage and test out the truck box for our first overland camping trip. We decided to head down the road to the local RV campground to test out the truck box and work out any kinks. Only making a few minor notes of things that I'd like to adjust, overall I couldn't be happier with the outcome. Trying to stay within the budget, we decided to use milk crates to optimize storage solutions.
Each drawer system has the ability to lock independently, letting us rest assured that while we're out playing, our valuables are safe and secure inside the locked truck box. No overland galley is complete without a Blackstone griddle. We use the 17-inch model and couldn't be happier with it. Maximizing storage space was a very important element from the start of the truck box design. We really tried to be very efficient in how we designed it, making use of every square inch. We were able to build and design this truck box in under a week with only a $500 budget. All in all, we are very pleased with the customization and how well it fits our needs for our overlanding adventures.